Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add text and captions to photos in PicsArt. So if you want to add text and captions to your photos and make them pop, you can follow this steps that I'm going to show you on this tutorial on how you can add and customize text in PicsArt. So first you can just launch the PicsArt app on your device and then choose the photo that you want to add it. So for example here I'm going to just start by adding the background first. I'm going to use the background, the color background, and let's use this one. Okay, so here I'm going to add the photo, tap on add photo, and then just choose the image. Let's say I want to use this one's right here and this one. Tap on add. Okay, I'm going to add text now. You can use this or you can tap on the check icon plus first and then find the text tool, this one, and choose your text. Let's say I'm going to just write this is a bird. Here you can customize the color of the text. Say I'm going to go with this yellow color. You can also change the alignment, and here you can adjust the size by doing it like this, and also the position by rotating like this. You can drag and adjust the position, and if you want to change the font you can find it in the bottom and find the font that you like. If you want to here you can adjust the highlight, you can add some stroke on the text, adjust the spacing, opacity, blending, shadow, and everything. And to add another text you can just tap on the plus icon and choose text and write the text again like this. Don't forget to change the color and change the font if needed. Okay, if you want to you can also add stickers and other elements to make your photos pop up. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.